The accessories. Please check the equipment and the accessories carefully after receiving the package. The accessories include air compressor, power supply, pulse tube, pressure tube, infusion tube, three-way connector, quick connector, pressure regulating valve, and a sack. Other operation accessories: citric acid, Teflon tape, DN15 braided hose, 8 inches pump pliers, DN15 cap, external teeth adapter, DN15 external teeth straight, 8 inches screw extractor. Equipment operation process. Step 1. Connect the equipment. Wrap the Teflon tape around the quick connector. Put quick connector and pressure gauge in the pressure regulating valve. Assemble the pressure regulating valve, then put it in the outlet of the air compressor. Connect the silencer to the air compressor. Connect the three-way connector to the quadrant hoses. Then connect the other end of the quadrant hose to the hot and cold angle valve. Put one end of the transparent infusion tube in the infusion inlet of the equipment. Connect one end of the blue air pressure tube with the equipment. Connect one end of the red pulse tube with the pulse outlet of the equipment, the other with the three-way connector, and the other end with the pressure regulating valve on the air compressor. Connect the power cord. Turn on the equipment. Step 2. Dissolve the citric acid. Prepare a bucket of warm water, around 15 to 16 degrees. Dissolve citric acid in proportion as 1 kilo citric acid and 15 liters water. Thoroughly stirring it, making the citric acid dissolve completely in the water. Then put the other end of the infusion tube into the bucket. Note: citric acid is food grade and does no harm to the human body. Step 3. Leak detection. Turn down the main water valve first. Turn on the lowest tap and discharge the remaining water. Start the air compressor for inflating. Turn on the output valve of the air compressor. Adjust the input pressure to around 5 bar by the pressure regulating valve. Make sure all the taps and water devices are turned off, such as water purifier, toilet, washing machine. Use the leak detection mode to detect if there is any leak. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. When leak detection light is on, observe if the pressure keeps decreasing. If the parameter is stable, it means there is no leakage in the pipeline. If the parameter keeps decreasing, you need to find out the leak location. Step 4. Citric acid injection. Turn on the farthest tap to release the pressure. Use the infusion mode to inject the dissolved citric acid solution into the pipeline. When there is warm water coming out, it means that the citric acid liquid has filled in the pipes. Pause the equipment by pressing the pause key and turn off the tap. From the farthest to the closest, repeat this step on each tap in the house until the pipeline has filled with the citric acid liquid in the entire house. Wait around 20 to 30 minutes. Let the citric acid liquid thoroughly soaked to soften the dirt in the pipelines. Dismantle the filter screen from each tap. Step 5. Spiral pulse cleaning. Turn on the farthest tap. Press the pulse key to do the cleaning. The dirt will be flushed out with the citric acid liquid. To avoid water splashing, during the process, a sack has to be put on the tap. Repeat this step for each tap in the house. After the citric acid liquid has been completely flushed out, turn on the main water valve, allowing the water to enter into the pipeline. Turn on the tap, then start pulse cleaning by pressing the pulse key. When the sewage from the tap turns into clean water, press the pulse key and turn off the tap. Repeat this step on each tap in the house. Attention! If the water pressure is too high, pulse cleaning will have no effect. You need to turn down the water through the main water valve to lower down the pressure. Step 6. Equipment maintenance. Replace excess citric acid in the bucket with clear water. Remove the pulse tube from 3-way connector. Use the infusion mode to discharge the remaining citric acid in the equipment with clear water. Then use the pulse mode to flush out the remaining water in the pulse tube. Release the air in the air compressor. Equipment maintenance finished. Change the concept of water usage for millions of families. Restoring the healthy way of using water. Water Manager, manage clean water.